In this video, we're going to be changing the engine oil in a Simplicity Citation XT. This is a 2020 model with the Briggs engine. We're going to be using the Vanguard synthetic oil and the Briggs & Stratton oil filter. I'll bring the camera in up close so you can see the part numbers. Here's the Briggs & Stratton oil filter number. If you don't want to buy it from your dealer, you can buy these on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description down below. And this is the Vanguard synthetic performance engine oil. Now this oil is going to let your motor run a little bit cooler, and I believe it's going to help it last a lot longer. Here in the rear of the tractor on the left side, you can see this engine oil drain hose is right here, and you can simply hold it back here and let it drain down that way, or there's a hole in the chassis right here and you can put it down through right there. Whichever way works best for you with your oil catch band. I prefer the hose right off here on the back side. If you run it down through the hole in the chassis, it gets all over the gearbox. It doesn't seem to be a great way to drain the oil in this without getting some oil on something, but that seems to work the best. If that hose was about 3 inches longer, it would work out a lot better. Oil's done draining, tighten the plug back up, and put the hose back in its retaining clip. Over here on the right side, we're going to remove this oil filter. I stuffed shop towels underneath there. You could maybe try putting a paper plate under it. There's usually a lot of oil that comes out and gets all over the chassis. Now what works the best is an offset oil filter wrench. It's kind of hard to get in there, and this oil filter is pretty short, but an offset pair gets in there pretty well. We'll go ahead and remove it now. With the old filter off, we'll go ahead and reinstall the new one. And I just put a light coat of oil right around the seal on the filter. We'll go ahead and spin this on. I'm going to get it hand tight, and then just go about a quarter turn past hand tight with the oil filter wrench. And now I'm going to add 2 quarts of oil. Then I'm going to start it up, let it get warm, and then check the oil capacity on a level surface, and make sure that the dipstick is reading the correct level. Now that the engine is up to operating temperature, I'm going to go ahead and check the level. And it's perfect. Ready to go. Congratulations on changing your own engine oil and filter. Saved yourself a lot of time and money by not going to the dealership. Learned a little bit about your mower as well. Hope this video was helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.